I'm Jennifer Fiore of Fiore Ackerman.
My name is Susan Kane Gordon, and I'm a solo practitioner based out of Orinda, California.
Hi, my name is Jody Moore. I'm a partner at Johnson Moore Trial Attorneys, and I was invited to join this trial team in April of 2021 and work with Susan Kane Gordon and Jennifer Fiore. This case was Ledesma versus Parkview Operating Company and Mariner Health Central, Inc. Parkview is a nursing facility. Mariner Health Central is its operating management company.
The case is about human suffering. It offers a window to the world we know exists, but we're not connected to on a daily basis.
The case involved 10 different plaintiffs. So we had 10 different residents or their families suing for abuse and neglect. So when you ask about an overview of the case, we had every type of elder abuse issue come up in this case. We had bed sores, we had falls, we had medication mismanagement, we had wounds that led to amputation, we had death cases, infection cases.
Our case is unique because we had the opportunity with a preference case. We had 4 dependent adults and elders whose health conditions necessitated getting to trial quickly. And we had 6 who were non-preference. We were able to convince the judge that all 10 should stay together because of the common issues like understaffing that resulted in the harms. And so what's so unique is that we were able to keep all 10 together and have their right or have their access to justice proceed on shortened time in a pandemic.
The pivotal moment in this case for me is knowing that we're all in, that we've made a decision to represent the families and bring the case forward. And this came as a result of a few first visits to the facility. You can't help but commit yourselves to someone that really needs your help.
The end result was a jury verdict of $13.5 million in compensatory and punitive damages and injunctive relief.
So as much as we want to get a monetary recovery for the families in our case wanted to make sure that this kind of thing didn't happen again. That was the very first thing that many of them said in our first conversation. So to be able to pick up the phone after the verdicts had been read and to let them know you didn't make a mistake in placing your faith in us.
I'm proud of the work that we did as a team because it was really important for us to come together to put this case on. But one of the things I'm really proud of is, I've been doing elder abuse litigation for 25 years, and it's a hard fought type of case. Lots of roadblocks, lots of obstacles. And so I'm really proud of the fact that we were able to keep sort of in the center of our bullseye the residents and their families. So a lot of the work that we did was fueled by love instead of fear, like fear of what if we aren't successful, or there's a lot riding on this case. And we were working very hard night and day. But at the center of all that, we were kind of unified around the people that we were representing and the love that their family had for them. And then we were able to show love for our clients. And so I'm really proud of how we showed up.
I am proud of the injunctive relief. I am proud of the fact that we were able to try this case during the pandemic by Zoom so that our 10 client stories could be told. We unfortunately lost a few of our clients to COVID before the trial, but through their family members, we were still able to tell their stories. I am grateful for my law partners.
I'm grateful for my co-counsels, Jennifer Fiore and Jody Moore, because they've been practicing law a lot longer than I have. And every day they gave me an example of how to be a great lawyer.
I am grateful for our court system that worked. Would I have wanted to do a Zoom trial before this experience, a 4-month Zoom trial? I would have said no way. But having the opportunity and having our case get before the jury, I'm thankful for the court, I'm thankful for the jurors. They were so dedicated and reach the right results for the right reasons. It was very inspiring, and I'm grateful for that.